Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Please give this video more watch time, subscribe, like and comment. You can also turn on your notification bell to be the first to see my videos. Guys, I really need your support to get my channel monetized by YouTube. I will be so glad. You can support me by watching all my videos to the end. Today I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this short kimono dress with 1.5 yards of this material. If this is what you are interested in, please keep on watching to the end, and let's get started now with our tutorial for today. So guys, like I said, you can support my channel by watching all my tutorials down to the end. So guys, let's get started now with our tutorial for today. This is my fabric. Okay, so I'll go ahead now to spread it into 4 pieces because I'm going to cut the front piece and the back piece together. All right, don't forget I'm using 1.5 yards of this fabric to achieve this style that we are making today. Is a smart short kimono dress. All right, so I'll just keep on folding it, then I'll start by taking the width of my dress, which is 11 inch. So I'll go ahead and take the length, and my length is by 35 inch. All right, so I will mark 4 inch for my neckline. All right, so I'm cutting it together, so I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. Okay, so I'll just connect the marks together. So I will mark 9 inch, that's where my sleeve will form. So I'm marking 9 inch for that. So I'm going by 40 inch for my bust measurement. Then I'll add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. So I'm going to mark from my so I marked 15 inch from my shoulder to my half length, and my waist measurement marking 36 inch, and also had 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. So now I'm connecting all my marks together, guys. Don't forget that I marked from my shoulder to my half length 15 inch. Okay, and my waist measurement is 36 inch. So I'm going to take my depth of my neckline by 2 inch. I'm bringing it down by 2 inch, guys. So what I'll do now, I'll just cut now. Okay, so please keep on watching to the end, guys. So I'm cutting now, guys. This we can do together, guys, by watching all my tutorials to the end so that this channel can get monetized by YouTube. Please, what I need is your support to do that, to achieve that. I'm so excited if you guys can make my channel to get monetized, and one way you can do that is by watching all my tutorials down to the end to support me, guys, and this particular video can give it more watch time. All right, so guys, keep on watching. Now this is the fabric that I'm going to use to extend the sleeve of my dress. Okay, so I'm going to use 19 inch for my length. All right, so after that I'll run a stitch on it, then I'll iron it, then I'm going to attach it to the sleeve to extend it. I want it to extend a bit because the sleeve is kind of short and I don't like that. Okay, so guys, give this video thumbs up so that more people can get to see it, and YouTube can recommend it to more audience for them to watch and also learn from it. You can comment, let us know what you think about this particular tutorial today. Please don't forget also to subscribe, guys. Now I've joined my shoulder together, so this is how I'm going to stitch it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll mark my middle point. So I'm trying to arrange it. This is how I'm going to stitch it on my machine. So I will mark my middle point. Okay, then I'm going to pin it down to my sleeve. So this is how I'm going to go about it. So I'm going to pin it down with my pin. So when stitching it, this is how I'm going to run a stitch on it. So after that, my dress will be ready. Don't forget I'm making smart short kimono dress. So I'm going to wear it out for you guys to see the fitness of my kimono short dress that I'm making today. So after pinning it, this is how I'm going to run my stitch on it. I'm going to do that on the other sleeve also, and my dress will be ready, guys. This is the final look of my kimono short dress. Very lovely and smart. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Give this video more watch time, subscribe, like and comment. Let's make it work so that this channel can be monetized this year. Guys, I will be so excited. You can do that by supporting me by watching this particular tutorial now down to the end, guys. You can keep a date with us, guys. You can do that now by watching my next tutorial now, please.